Hello students of class 1, myself Nikita Patel from Saraswat International Academy. Today I am going to teach you mathematics chapter number 1, numbers up to 50, part 4. So our today's topic is comparing numbers. In that, first point is smaller numbers. Now what do you mean by smaller number? Smaller number means whichever is less. So here they have asked us, draw the number of the balloons shown in each color the bunch with fewer balloons. Now what is fewer? Fewer means less. Less. Now if I say I give you 2 balls in one hand and 3 balls in other hand, so as you can see that 2 balls are less than 1 2 3 3 balls. So here the smaller number will be 2 comparing if you compare with 3. Now next is, see, they have given us here 4 balloons and here 6 balloons. So 4 will be less compared to 6. Here they have given us 5 number and 3. And we have to draw here 5 balloons and here 3 balloons. So as you draw the balloons, you will come to know that 3 is smaller than 5. After that, they have given us here, we have to draw 8 balloons in this and 2 balloons in this. So after drawing the balloons, you will come to know here 2 is less compared to 8. So now one thing is clear, whichever number is less is the smaller number. Now here's what they have given, use the number strip to compare. Now you have to compare, you will be given 2 numbers and you have to compare it and circle whichever is smaller. As you can read here, the number that is closer to 0. Closer to 0 means our number strip starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that it goes on. So the number which is closer to 0 is the smaller number. Now write the smaller number. They have already done one for you. As you can see here, 8 and 9 is given and already 8 we have to trace. Now compared to 9, 8 is the smaller number. If you compare 18 and 19, as you can see in the on the number strip, 18 is closer to 0 and 19 comes after 18. So 18 will be the smaller number. From 13 and 15, 13 is closer to 0 and 15 comes after 13. So again 13 is smaller than 15. From 20 and 15, again 15 is closer to 0. So 15 will be the smaller number. From 6 and 14, 6 is closer to 0 compared to 14. So 6 is the smaller number. From 6 and 4, 4 is closer to 0 than 6. So 4 will be the smaller number. From 16 and 12, 12 is closer to 0 compared to 16. So 12 will be the smaller number. Between 17 and 12, 12 is closer to 0 compared to 17. So again here 12 will be the smaller number. Here from 9 and between 9 and 19, 9 is closer to 0 compared to 19. So again 9 is the smaller number. From 13 and 18, 13 is closer to 0. So compared to 18, so 13 will be the smaller number. So here you finished this question. So you may have understood that what is smaller number. Let us do one more exercise, so you will come to know that which are the smallest number. Now when you say smaller means when there is a comparison between only two numbers, and when we compare more than two numbers, so the term comes smallest. Now here you can see 7, 9 and 10. So which number is closer to 0 from this? Here is 7. As you can see, here is 7, here is 9 and here is 10. So compared to this, 7 is closer to 0. So 7 is the smallest number. Now next is 12, 16 and 14. So from this, 12 is closer to 0. So 12 is the smaller number. Now next is 17, 7 and 20. So from this, 7 is closer to 0. So again 7 is the smallest number. Next is 8, 12 and 18. So 8 is closer to 0. So again 8 is the smallest number. Next is 5, 17 and 16. So 5 is closer to 0. So 5 is the smallest number. Next is 18, 17 and 12. So 12 is closer to 0. So again here 12 is the smallest number. Next is 19, 20 and 14. So 14 is closer to 0. So 14 will be the smallest number. Next is 11, 13 and 15. So 11 is closer to 0. So 11 will be the smallest number. So students, that's it for today. Hope you all understood what I explained today. Thank you.